I'm Alexa McGrath. You know what? I'm feeling in the summer spirit, even though it's winter. So let's just pretend it's summer. And I think that we should make a nice, healthy summer snack. So let's get in my chef outfit. Not this. This is way too fancy. We need a chef outfit. This is perfect. It's a chef outfit. Now we can actually get started. So the ingredients you're going to need for the fruit parfait is a glass cup or a plastic cup, granola, strawberries, and raspberries, yogurt. I'm using peach yogurt, and then a spoon and napkins if you need to. So the first ingredient you're going to need is your cup and your yogurt. I'm going to move these out of the way so we can actually see better. I really like peach yogurt, but some people may like raspberry, strawberry, and I even heard a Starburst yogurt. That sounds so good. So I'm going to empty this in and try to get as much as I can. It's chunky. Okay. And use a spoon to get out some of the stuff. I think I got all my yogurt into the cup here. So now let's put the toppings on, my favorite part. So I have the granola here, the strawberries and raspberries. First I'm going to mix in some of the granola. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Yummy. And put a little more granola on here. Okay. Now I'm going to put some raspberries. They're one of my favorite fruits. And I may sneak one. Yummy. Okay. One raspberry. 2 raspberries. 3. Okay. And now the last topping I have are strawberries. You can put any toppings you like on here, but these are one of my favorite toppings. Put all the strawberries. Yummy. And I'm going to put one here. They would fit on the side. Okay, yeah, that's not working, so we can improvise and put it in the dish. We haven't washed it. And then if you like, you can mix it. Gonna mix it all until you get to the consistency in the place you like it. And then that's how you make a delicious treat. But I think we should get out of the chef outfit and get into the summer mode before we start eating this. So let's get started. Man, this is what I'm talking about. So good. But you know what would be even better? To have it with friends. Like when COVID's over, by the summer, hopefully, and we can have it. Now I'm going to go chillax by the pool. Bye for now.